Eluvial. E-L-U-V-I-A-L. It means dikeluarkan. Exit. E, remember, is exit. This is eluvial. I-L-L-U-V-I-A-L.
Enter.
Susah ini kalau take so many. So you must remember, E means exit, keluar. I means masuk, in. In means added here. So, but this one is a special type. So the clay skin just now also is an eluvial horizon, but there the clay is moving. Here the humus is moving and accumulate here. So this we give a special name called a spodic horizon. The spodic horizon can be rich in iron or rich in humus or mixture of both. In this case you can see very clear it is black in color or dark in color, therefore it is humus. If it is red, then you call it iron podzol. This is humus podzol or humic podzol. Okay? Sometimes you have humus here, iron at the bottom. It's also possible. So anything is possible, combination. But here, because we are talking of this humus moving down, so it is sitting directly on a rock. So we treated this as an in situ spodic horizon on an in situ parent material, sandstone parent material. This is sandstone. Okay. So now we have a spodic horizon at 60 centimeters or 80 centimeters. Hard. Okay. Now let's go to the description. Page 48. See, developed over sandstone, 350 meters, 1,100 feet, well drained, because this is all well drained. Okay. And then your description APEBH, H standing for humus. Okay. Analytical data, percentage of clay here 3%, 1%, and then goes to 23%. So any little clay also keeps going down and accumulate there. Cannot go down any further. Okay, silt is very low, 6-7%. Fine sand, 81, 79, 67. So dominated by the sand. pH 5.4, 4.7, 6.0. Organic carbon, you look at the organic carbon in the surface is 0.68, then here very low, then increase again when you hit the spodic. Okay. Nitrogen very low, 0.06, 0.05, but the CN ratio for this first horizon is 11, then goes down to 3 in this because there's no carbon here, goes down to 3. Available P 11 parts per million, total P 122, 106. All the cations very low. Okay. Potassium, maybe they have applied some K fertilizer because they're using GFB, so maybe a K coming from that to the surface. CEC very low, 2, 2.8, 2.5. You cannot convert like this because it goes to 90 because your clay content is very low. It's artificial value. Base saturation also very low except in the surface because of your potassium. Okay. So what do you think are the main limitation of this soil if you want to plant oil palm? Oil palm? So you think the spodic, this hardpan layer?
No.
But your oil palm root where?
30 cm.
Here only. So does the spodic affect this?
No.
Not really. So actually it's your stand texture. See, once it's below 50, oil palm really not worried about that. But because it is sandy, means every time 2 days no rain, very dry. That's why it's very hard at the surface. Both the sand also